Patel, he wants information. What will you solve?
Milord, the affidavit that they have served upon us, Milord, it's absolutely vexatious and it makes no point, Milord. If your Lordship kindly sees the point, they're saying that since I was transferred to another school, I do not have any right to those information. That is their submission in that affidavit, Milord. Kindly sees.
Please come. Peruse the affidavit filed on behalf of the teacher in charge. No, filed by the teacher in charge, being the respondent number 10 in the instant writ petition. Step. The reason mentioned explaining the delay in providing the information cannot be accepted by the court. Step. Paragraph. It appears that the respondent number 10 was holding the post of the teacher in charge with effect from 8th August 2022, application under the Right to Information Act seeking information was made by the petitioner on 25th January 2023. But the said information was not supplied to the petitioner. Stop. It is only after the intervention of the court that the information has been supplied. Stop. Paragraph. The conduct of the respondent number 10 is contrary to the provisions of the Right to Information Act. Stop. The respondent number 10 is directed to pay penalty amounting to rupees 5,000 to the petitioner directly in his bank account.
Milady,
Of which,
Milady, if I may interject, Milord, just one particular point. I want to bring down to your notice one judgment by Honorable Justice Arijit Banerjee, Milord. There,
yes,
Milord, the sanctioned fine, Milord, that was 50,000 rupees, though it was according to the old act, and yet of litigation cost, I was subjected to be given 25,000, Milord, because of this humongous delay. Milord, that is the first prayer, Milord. So I am entitled to that 25,000 according to section 21 of the RTI Act, Milord, because it's more than 100 days. So even if 2,250 rupees per day is calculated, it becomes more than 25,000. Now it is one of my statutory rights, Milord. In spite of that, I had to file one writ petition that the litigation cost, which I have also paid in my petition, Milord. So I'm also entitled for that, number one. Number two, Milord, I had also, your Lordship would remember that on the last occasion, I had also asked for the disciplinary action against the present TIC. Now, your Ladyship would remember that they had said that we have to initiate a complaint, and on basis of that, they will be doing one disciplinary proceeding. That we have given, and they have rejected that prayer subjected to the order dated, Milord, 19/3/2025. They have stated that in reference to your letter dated 25/2/2025, this is to bring to your information that this office is unable to consider your prayer due to pendency of the writ petition being WPA number 17722 of such and such number, Shuman Kollan Dhara, before the Honorable High Court. So they are not taking any disciplinary action, citing the pendency of this particular writ petition, Milord.
listen, that is not the subject matter of challenge.
Milord,
Subject matter of challenge is the Right to Information Act.
yes, absolutely, absolutely. I bow down to your Ladyship on that point.
Yes.
Section 21 of the RTI Act says that I am entitled to get 25,000 penalty, Milord.
The days have you calculated?
Yes, Milord. Yes, Milord. It's more than 100. It's nearly 2 years. From the date of my RTI application, and even after the first appeal, and even after the second appeal,
Your application was on 25th of January 23?
yes, Milord. So within 30.
And how
So
many
within,
days is it? How many days?
from 2023,
To
Milord.
25, 2 years.
Yes, Milord, more than 2 years. So it's nearly
Yes.
700 days. So, my lord, that 25,000 penalty. And also, my lord, just one last interjection. My lord, this particular document was not given to me even after several requests and several directions by the higher authorities also, which I have also annexed to my writ petition. So, my lord, I think that there must be something fishy going on. That's why, my lady, what I ask for is these documents must not be destroyed, and milady kindly gives a direction upon them that safe custody of this original MC resolution must also be done there. That is
Uh,
these are the threefold.
has the MC resolution been handed over to you?
Yes, my lord, the certified copy has been handed over to me.
Assuming it is destroyed, you have the certified copy, and that too in terms of the court's order.
Yes,
So
yes,
this will inure to your benefit,
yes, my lord. That would
and
be
they will not gain anything by destroying it.
Milord, that is the point in question. They have just now stated that they have several criminal cases pending against me, though that is not true. Criminal cases has been pending against them. The only criminal case that was filed against me for misplacing this particular document, I have been given FRT. They have filed one Naraji petition. They are
You
the police.
you do one thing. You produce the judgment of Justice Banerjee, which you are relying on the next day, so that the quantum can be fixed. তাহলে
Mil-
এখানে টাকার অঙ্কটা বাদ দিয়ে দিন।
I am obliged. I am obliged. Meanwhile, then, Milord, may I file one reply to
The respondent number 10 would be subjected to penalty, amount of which will be settled by the court on the adjourned date. ঠিক আছে? Released on 21st of April.
In the meanwhile, milady, on the last occasion, they had claimed that they are not taking the disciplinary action just because of the pendency of the writ petition. So that may be clarified, milord.
Pendency of the writ petition will not stand in the way of the uh, respondent authority to initiate disciplinary proceeding. Against whom?
Against the present TIC, milord.
No, I do not think I will pass this order. এটাকে কেটে দিন. Yes, Mr. Nondi is there online, I can see.